Hello, I'm going to show you today how to make an individual PACE planner for your class. So you can use this PACE planner if you want to finish by a certain date. So you're going to click on Tools under the main menu area. Under Course, you'll find PACE. Click on that. And then you will come to the individual PACE planner or individual PACE planner honors. So choose whichever one you're going to use. And you have to do this in a browser that is not Chrome. So you can use Firefox, which is what I'm using. You can use Safari, or if you have a different browser that you like, you can try that. So you put in your name, whatever name you like to use. If you're going to do the entire course or semester 1 or semester 2, so this is just for semester 1. And then the start date is required. So if you were starting, this is today. And then the end date, if you wanted to finish by the end of summer school, for example, you'd want July 31st, but you could put whatever date you need to finish by here. You also have the option of saying how many hours per week you wanted to work, and you can put that there. Once you say go, it's going to give you your own individual PACE chart, and it will have everything that you need to complete for the week of, and it'll give you the dates. So all of these assignments would need to be completed by the date here. And so this goes in from for each week that you have, and will have you finish the course by the last day of the week from the day that you put it as your finish time. So I put July 31st, so this last day would be August 2nd. You would want to make sure you completed this by the day that you need it to be done. But this is how you would set that up. If you have any questions about this, you can ask your teacher.